Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix runtime error R6025 poor virtual function call in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type cmd or command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. In this new window, type sfc /scan no and hit enter. This process will take some time. Wait a moment. Beginning verification phase of system scan. Can be patient. When the process is ending, close this window, and to apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.